Hello, my name is Alyssa Alleman, and I am a pre-service teacher at Shippensburg University. Today I'm going to demonstrate a strategy called concept drawing. Concept drawing can be used to monitor student understanding, and it can also be used to give students an interactive way to summarize a lesson that they have just learned in class. I'm going to share my screen with you now. The online tool that I use to demonstrate this is whiteboard.fi. And here, the teacher is able to edit the slide and put the directions, including what the students will be drawing. So use the space provided to draw your interpretation of energy. After this is edited, you can push it out to students. And then down at the bottom is a space where you can look at all of the students' drawings. And here then you can use this to figure out, yes, this person truly does understand the idea of energy, or no, this person doesn't quite get the main idea of the lesson and may need another refresher. That is all. Thank you.